Hello, all. Welcome to the Visible Dimension. See the world with your own perspective. My name is Vipul, and I'm today gonna teach you sports awards. Sports awards. Our first award is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. This award was started in year 1991-1992. The award comprises a medallion, as you can see this medal, where I can moving my cursor. This medal has been given to the winner of this award. A certificate and a cash prize of 25 lakhs has been given to the winner of this award. The first recipient was Vishwanathan Anand in the year 1991-1992. You also know the Vishwanathan Anand is a chess player. Uh, the recipients of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2020, Rohit Sharma in cricket, Mariappan T, as you can see, Mariappan T from para athletics, Manika Batra, table tennis, Vinesh Fogart, wrestling, Rani Rampal in hockey. So all the five players has been given Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award this year. Our next award is Arjuna Award. The Arjuna Award was started in the year 1961. This award comprises a bronze statue of Arjuna. A certificate is also given to the winner, ceremonial dress, and a cash prize of 15 lakhs. As you can see, the Arjuna Award, the bronze statue looks like this. Arjuna is a mythological character from Mahabharata. He is one of the five Pandavas. And many were the recipients in 1961. Many sports person got this award in 1961. But we have to remember the first female to receive Arjuna Award was Anne Livesden in year 1961 only, and she belongs to the sports of hockey. The recipients of Arjuna Award 2020 are they as follows: Savant, Ajay, Anand, Aditya Ashok from girls, Shiva Keswan from winter sports, and many of them. You can go through all of them and try to remember the important one, like Deepti Sharma in cricket, and many others. Dronacharya Award. Dronacharya Award has been started in year 1985. The award comprises a bronze statue of Dronacharya. Dronacharya is again a mythological character from Mahabharata. He was the teacher of Pandavas and Kauravas. So the bronze statue, as you can see, he is also teaching the archery to his one of his disciple. So the cash prize of 15 lakhs is also given to the winner. The first recipients of the awards Balachandra Bhaskar Bhagwat in wrestling, Om Prakash Bharadwaj from boxing, O.M. Nambiar from athletics. They all were honored in 1985. And the recipients of Dronacharya Award in 2020 are Shiv Singh from boxing, Romesh Pathania hockey, Krishna Kumar Huda kabaddi. So Dronacharya Award is basically given to the coaches, as they also provide some coaching to the sports person so that they could perform very well in many sports events. Next is Dhyan Chand Award. Dhyan Chand Award. It was started in year 2002. This award comprises a statue of Dhyan Chand, as you can see the statue of Dhyan Chand, a certificate, ceremonial dress, and a cash prize of 10 lakhs. The first recipients of the award was Sahu Raj Birajdar, Ashok Diwan in hockey, Aparna Ghosh in basketball. They all were honored in year 2002. Name of the Dhyan Chand awardees are these are the name of Dhyan Chand awardees. And next award is Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Awards. The award comprises a bronze statue of Tenzing Norgay along with a cash prize of 5 lakhs. It was started in year 1994. In the first year, 1994, 22 awards were given, of which 19 were bestowed on the Indian members of the 1993 Indo-Nepalese Women's Everest Expedition. These are the name of Tenzing Norgay awardees this year, 2019. Now we are going to talk about Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy was started in the year 1956-1957. A rolling trophy of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and a cash prize of 15 lakhs has been given to the winner. So basically, this award is given to the universities who performed well in the last year. The first winner was Bombay University, 1956-1957. 2020 winner was Punjab University, Chandigarh. Guru Nanak Dev University has won uh, many times this award. Was 22 times, the highest number of times Guru Nanak Dev University has won this award. Now, the last and not the least, Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar. This award was started in the year 2009 and the guidelines were revised in 2015. A citation and the trophies each category has been given in this award. So, the first thing is identification and nurturing of budding and young talent has been given to the Lakshya Academy and Army Sports Institute. Encouragement to sports through corporate social responsibility has been given to the ONGC, Oil Natural and Gas Corporation Limited. Next category is employment of a sports person and sports welfare measures has been given to the Air Force Sports Control Board. Next category is sports for development, and it has been given to the International Institute of Sports Management (IAS). Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And please do like, share, and subscribe to the Visible Dimension channel for